Democratic state lawmakers now getting in on trying to cut off the police. Several of them saying that they will no longer take donations from law enforcement, and some have donated the money already received to other causes. I want to bring in Jackie DeAngelis, who's live with more. Jackie.
Good afternoon to you, Charles. Well, that's right. So as the protests against police brutality continue across the country, Democratic lawmakers are saying they will no longer accept campaign donations from law enforcement officials. They've pledged to donate that money that they have received to bail funds and other community organizations. So they're basically saying if money is coming from law enforcement, we don't want it, saying it basically that we're against the police. In New York, at least 8 local Democratic lawmakers have returned or redistributed a total of almost $30,000 in campaign contributions from law enforcement groups. Also, longtime Democratic New York City Rep Carolyn Maloney's challenger, Lauren Ashcraft, sent out a fundraising email Thursday that declared F the police. Charles, you know what's in that ampersand, $, and £. She also said, we constantly see videos of black people being attacked and killed. Police are murdering those they are sworn to protect. Republicans and Democrats alike, including Rep Maloney, have failed to enact common sense reform. That's New York. In California, Democratic State Senator Scott Wiener, who represents San Francisco, tweeted Thursday that he would not accept any contributions to his campaign from law enforcement unions and would also donate those that he's received so far to nonprofits, quote, serving at-risk youth of color. Now, Wiener told Fox News that he's donating $20,000 received from 6 separate law enforcement union organizations. In his tweet, he ended by saying, our political criminal justice system is broken and needs drastic change. I want to be very clear about where I stand in this fight. Now, Wiener's opponent, also a Democrat, Jackie Fielder, fired back, basically saying, in part, Wiener's actions don't account for $45,000 from his first state Senate campaign and also falls short of a commitment to reject contributions from PACs funded by law enforcement associations. Quote, no loopholes. So it's not really enough for her there. Charles, this is really amazing to see as this moves forward in the wake of George Floyd's death. Back to you.
It really is. I don't know. Maybe they'll take 911 off their phones also.